Hi guys, welcome back to the show. It's the Rapper Show. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook two type of eggs, which is the overeasy and also sunny side up eggs. But before we start, I have to tell you this is a 1 season 5 episode series that I will be making called Hello Good Morning with Chef Kibar myself, and I will be teaching you how to cook breakfast. But for now, I'm going to commentate and sip my tea. Jeffrey, would you cue the intro? Alright, so welcome back. Actually, it's very easy today. Today I'll be teaching you how to cook two easy eggs. A lot of people deemed it hard, but it's not. Let's get right into it. I tend not to talk too much because I actually love sipping my tea. So step 1, you're gonna need a non-stick pan. Very important. 2, you're gonna need some oil or butter. And 3, you're gonna need 1 egg or 2 eggs. It depends on how you want your sunny side up. So for starters, we're gonna put some heat onto your pot. As your pot heats up, you don't want it to heat too much because you don't want to damage Teflon that's in the pan that prevent the eggs from sticking. So you're gonna heat it to a minimum of 100 and probably 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And after that, you are going to crack your eggs. I'll teach you in another video how to crack eggs with one hand. But for now, you're gonna crack your eggs. The trick of it is, once you crack, you want to keep all your eggs together, the egg whites and the egg yolk. You want to keep that intact. So once you crack that in a pan, use your spatula to keep the whites together so it won't run all over the place. While it's frying in, you don't want to add salt to your eggs. This is just a side note. When you add salt to your eggs before it's cooked, it actually breaks down your eggs and it makes it watery. It brings up a lot of moisture from the egg and you don't want that. So it's best to cook your eggs and add your salt after and your pepper after you're done cooking your eggs through. So once the trick of this sunny side up egg is only to cook one side. That's the side that is on. You're gonna you're gonna let it stay on the side it's on and cook. You don't want to cook it too on a high flame. Just keep it going on the 195 degrees. You're using induction burner. If you're using a stove, most likely here in America we use electric stove. Somewhat we use propane. You just want to keep it on low heat. Number 2 eggs is over easy, very similar to the first sunny side up egg. The only difference is you're gonna cook one side and then turn it over real quick for a few seconds and then you remove it from the pot. The trick with this egg is once you start it on the first side frying that egg, make sure it's set so it won't run. So as you drop it, don't try to flip it. Let it fry for a few seconds, and then when you get the go ahead, you can use your spatula to flip it, or if you're skilled as me, you can just flip it on the pot. Once you flip that over easy egg on the second side, let it stay. Don't try to move it because you want the white on the other side to be set, as well as the yolk inside is going to be liquid. And very similar to how you do your poached egg, you basically the whites are set and the yolks are still liquid. So that's the aim of this egg. And for me, that's it, guys. That's basically it for your two type of eggs that I showed you as you see on here. Remember to like, subscribe, share, and also hit the bell icon right here to make sure that you are up to date of all my videos that I post, because I don't want to leave any of you guys behind. Thank you for the support, my loyal subscribers from day one. I won't stop. We'll be doing it. So as I might say, watch me finish my breakfast and drinking my tea. Rapping Chef out. Enjoy. I think it's still recording. Ooh, it is recording. Omelets? Yeah, my next video is gonna be on omelets. I know I did a video before about omelets, but this one's gonna be easy. So I'm gone for real. I'm done.